one of the veterans of the monster truck game. Getting ready to rock and roll. He's going to get one shot, one opportunity to win the first round of Best Trick. Once again, there's a grand prize here just for you here in Hilliard. Make the noise for him. The louder you get, the crazier he is going to be. That's his favorite treat. And here he comes, lining up for the cars. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Dalton. He's looking at lining up to do with the slap wheel. There he goes. Big air. The tires. Slap wheelie out of Dalton and Stomper. Coming out next, that's going to be Colton Kaiser. Head your way. American Scout. Once again, this is his first year in a full-size monster truck, ladies and gentlemen. And he's gotten the hang of it pretty quick. A little too quick, as he has broken the truck multiple times. Always puts on a show, always a crowd favorite. Great kid, ladies and gentlemen. When you get the chance after the show, make sure you walk up and say hi to Colton Kaiser. Colton Kaiser, the American Scout, ladies and gentlemen. Getting ready to come out now, that's the one and only Josh Holman. Being amped up, coming to you guys just out of Dayton, Ohio, your hometown truck this evening. There he goes, folks. Make some noise for Josh Holman and amped up. Big Sky Willie leading the wheel slap Willie. Courtesy of Mr. Holman and amped up. All right, folks, make some noise now that he can hear you. Like I said, you guys now get to meet the judges of the Best Hit competition, round one. So by making as much noise as possible, clapping your hands, stomping your feet, yelling, that's how you're going to vote for your favorite trick this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you think it was Dalton Van Stock in Stomper? How many do we have for Colton Kaiser in the American Scout? Some of you are voting more than once. That's only legal if you're Democrat. How many do we have for Josh Holman in the